Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. Video 4. Oil-field accident lawyer. Texas has had a long-standing history in the oil and gas field, namely providing hundreds of thousands of jobs to skilled laborers. Employers contract workers in and around San Antonio of fill these positions, all of which run a high risk of accident occurring, from drilling rigs, gas plants and compressor stations, hot oilers to work over and completion rigs and many more. Oil and gas field workers are exposed to the extremely dangerous and highly explosive environment where an oil field injury could occur at any time. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, for 2 million of oil and gas workers are hurt on the job annually. An oil rig accident attorney with Caribbean Shaw is available to make sure you are taken care of and receive the compensation and care you deserve if you are a loved one falls victim to an oil rig accident. Oftentimes, oil rigs accidents are the result of someone's negligence on the job site. Caribbean Shaw, lawyer and attorney, boasts years of experience in San Antonio with all aspects of oil field related injuries, accident and even deaths. Common oil rig accident. Although oil rigs pose a variety of opportunities for extreme injuries and accidents to occur, a few common causes are listed below. Remember, contacting a lawyer or oil rig accident attorney is a crucial step to take in taking sure you receive the best care and compensation in fighting your case. Substances or chemical stored imperial gas leaks, high pressure within wells, negligent or unfitting trained worker on the job, exposure to harsh element, fatal slips and falls, improperly use equipment and tools, careless behavior, block or cable breaks. As the oil and gas industry have boomed in recent years, so too has the number of accidents involving innocent bystander or even employees working on the oil field. Understanding your rights and responsibilities after a serious accident like this could prompt you to hire an experienced the last oil field accident lawyer as soon as possible. Here at Thompson Law, we know that the critical injuries often associated with oil field accident make it even more important to hire an attorney. An oil field is almost always a dangerous place to be, which is why so many people find themselves in the midst of a serious accident. Injuries from the accident can be severe and could make it so that a victim is never able to return to work or live normally again. In those cases, Texas personal injury law makes it so that victims can file a legal claim to recover compensation. If you are suffered an oilfield injury, you may be entitled to compensation for your medical bills and suffering. Call the personal injury lawyer you can trust. Contact our Dell's Outfield Oilfield Accident lawyer at Thompson Law today for a free, no obligation consultation. Nerve damage, traumatic or surgical amputations, common circumstances that lead to oil field injuries. Oil field injuries are usually the consequences of a speed and greed, top down safety culture whereby oil-field workers learn to take safety shortcuts, ignore standard industry safety protocols, use inadequate equipment, and are given improper safety industry or no instruction at all. Thought a personal injury lawsuit, you can pursue compensation for economic and non economic damage, including